guys, Elliot here for Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm joined again by Rod Egan, co-owner and principal auctioneer. We wanted to talk to you guys about another awesome offering we've got for our upcoming Enthusiast auction. This is a 1967 Maserati Ghibli Coupe, and this thing is awesome. Rod, tell us a little bit about it.
Awesome in a bunch of ways. First off, I'm a fan of the year 67. There are a ton of incredibly great cars built through the period, but the year 67 has some that really stand out. In 67, this is one of them. The color combination, correct color combination, factory original exterior color, sets it apart from so many of the others. It's had a great restoration. It is the original engine in the car, 5-speed gearbox. So if you want a phenomenal, great driver's car that you can get in and drive right to a show field, yes, to the show field, because it is that good, you can do it. This is one of the great ones. And they talk about world-class cars. We hear that term every now and again. This really is a little bit under the radar. A lot of folks don't know the Ghibli as well as some of the other cars, Miuras, things like that, that are, you know, sometimes seen on more magazine covers. If you're a driver, you want a driver's car that's going to continue to be a great car, appreciate in value, and give you tons and tons of enjoyment. This little Ghibli right here, phenomenal colors, is probably the car for you.
Totally agree. As Rod said, this is a fantastic car, a fantastic driver's car. I had it out earlier today.
Yeah.
And to reemphasize, it's a matching chassis, matching engine, totally numbers matching car. And fun fact, this is a very early build. This was the 74th Ghibli built for 1967. So you've got a lot of cool stuff going on with this car, not to mention how cool the car is on its own. But if you want to see this and many more, be sure to be here for our Enthusiast auction coming up here at the end of April, April 25th and 26th. Of course, you can always bid on the phone or bid online, but be sure to be here in person because you got to just see these beautiful cars in real life to fully appreciate them. We look forward to seeing you guys here, right here in Auburn, Indiana, at the end of April.